Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode here on my channel. This time we are going to fix the Supra. As you can see, it's so banged up. I have some rear fenders we are going to put on here. They are with my sponsor. They're going to paint it, Tor-Anders Ringnes. I also have a new front bumper, also at painting. Also, we're lucky to get a new headlight. I'm going to pick up that tomorrow. And my new water pump is coming at Saturday. So I hope I get everything done before Monday, when I'm going to leave Rakkestad and head over to the big mountains in Norway to have some fun. One more thing. Another set of the brand new Pirelli 205 65 15 tires. This is the WRC tires. It's very good stud tires, and maybe one of the best you can get. Look, here it's too banged up. And many have asked me what interior I'm using in the Supra. And it's actually the stock seats with the stock console here, the stock dashboard. Only thing we have changed here is put in a roll cage, sequential transmission, and a sparkle steering wheel, and of course a hydraulic handbrake. So the seats are electric and adjustable. Woo, so cool. I still need a new hood. But now it's time to head over to the post office and pick up 4 packages for my new pickup truck. So I'll pick up some parts on the post office for the car. You have to check another YouTube episode to see what it is. So stay tuned. So I have been working on the car today, and I have put on the brand new rear fenders from racingparts.no. Thanks to Tor-Anders Ringnes, they have painted the car or the parts, and we also have put on a new headlight and a new front bumper painted by Tor-Anders Ringnes. I also maybe have got a new hood. I need to check it a little later if it's still available. And new windshield. Maybe we're going to change it this weekend or Monday. So the car is looking much better, and I can't wait to hit the ice track again. And I have fixed the water pump. I did some small changes on the turbo version, so I get it to fit on this NA engine. It's so cool, it's so wide. I have also ordered 4 new Bassett wheels, so I can have some in the spare in case something happens. If I get hit by another car or anything else. So I'm gonna put the new wheel with this tire on. So this was the last update on the car. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm trying to have it ready before I leaving at Monday morning for the ice track. I have a little job with this car, so stay tuned, like the movie and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.